Good morning everyone, this is Rashwin, the Asian mechanic guy, and for today guys we got this 2006 Nissan Frontier. And complaint of this car, we got a coolant leak, and guys I already diagnosed this car, and we had a broken heater core outlet hose, and for today guys we're going to replace that outlet hose. And guys, join me, let's fix this car. And as you can see guys, those are the coolant leak going there, and I will be showing you where that coolant leak coming from. It's coming from here. Let me get a, see that right there, it's broken. Because this one is plastic guys, so after a longer period of time it will become brittle and it will crack. So we are going to replace this. And guys, I had already the parts, so this is the parts. It's plastic. That's the problem with this. So because it's plastic, after longer period of time it will crack. But anyway, it has only like 2 bolts, and then a clip in here, then 1 clip in here. So basically it will be like that. So just make sure guys, your car should be cold, not warm, so you're not gonna get burned. So let's start removing this hose, the old one. So guys, every time you fix cars, better to remove always the negative cable of the battery. So if you accidentally touch in here, you'll not be worried you're gonna like short circuit something. So let's start removing some hoses. So let's start from here. See this? So I got 2 set of pliers, long nose. You know what? I want to show you a better look, close up maybe. Right there. So I think you could see it. Yeah. Perfecto. Right, so let's remove this first. Nice, there we go. Oops, not yet. Okay, and try to twist it. Twist and pull. There you go. And sneak it in here. Then let's remove this one. All right, now you had a better view. So let's remove this. What am I doing? The other one. This one. There you go. Then just pull this. We need to twist it. Twist. still it's a little bit tight. So guys, let's try this. Stood slowly. Oh my god, it's a little bit tight. Well, come on, come on. Do it slowly, slowly. Don't force it. Alright, so we're almost there. There we go. See this? Hold on. See, it's broken. Because it's plastic, as always. So guys, I will be using this small ratchet and number 10 socket. Alright, I got it. Guys, next one. Alright, second one. And then there's one more connection in here, this one. So this. Alright guys, it's almost done. I just use this to remove this hose. Now it's been removed. We can remove this outlet hose. There we go. Oops. That's the old one. So before you put the new one, spray this with lubricant. And this one too. Right. And let's put it back. So first, let's sneak this in here. There we go. And then there you go. Nice. So I already connect the one in there. So this one, guys, so it's been connected, so we can, and let's put back this one, push it slowly, and then this one too. Let's put this back slowly. There you go. Then the nut. Alright guys, it's already installed. Tight. That one is tight. That one is tight. Then this one. And that one is tight. Alright guys, let's start the car. Now let's check for any leaks. No leak. And here also no leak. All right. So there you go guys, that's how you replace a heater core outlet hose for a 2006 Nissan Frontier with a 4.0 liters engine. So if you have any question, please comment below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.